Percy and the shunter's truck. Percy kept the yard in tip-top shape, making sure all the trucks were on the right side. But he was a cheeky fussy boy who, when not shunting, would tease the bigger engines. They would say, "If you worked more and shunted less, this car would be a sweeter, a better, and a happier place." He worked hard though, and made sure everything ran to time. Sometimes, while he was shunting, Percy would see a strange flat truck that the shunters would use to couple and uncouple trucks in the yard. One morning, Percy spotted Henry and decided to ask him what it was called. He puffed up to him in his cheeky way. "Hello, Henry!" He peeped. "Ah!" cried Henry. "Whoa, what are you doing, Percy?" "I'm trying to rest." "What's that?" he asked. "What's what?" "That truck over there." "What truck, Percy? There's hundreds over there." "The flat one that the shunter uses," Percy pointed out angrily. "Oh, that one. It's called a shunter's truck. Shunters ride them during movements around the stations or depots." "Okay, but what about the black box that's sitting on top of it?" "That's where they keep their tools, like a shunter's pull." "And extra funnels," laughed Percy cheekily. And before Henry could say anything else, Percy ran off laughing. The next morning, Percy was back in the yard, busily shunting. He kept his eye on the shunter's truck as he bustled around the yard, making sure that all trains ran on time. "I wish I could take the shunter's truck out on a train," thought Percy to himself. No one really knows how it happened. It must be that Percy was fussing so much that he wasn't paying attention to what he was doing. Then disaster struck. But the buffers in the shunter's truck were in disrepair. It took a while to figure out what had happened and clean up the mess. "I'm so sorry," Percy apologized when he saw the fat controller and the shunter coming to see what happened. "It's alright, Percy. It was a complete accident. Or I was planning on giving it to the railway museum anyway." "But why was it in the yard?" asked Percy. "The railway museum wanted some footage of the shunter's truck at work." "Wait, see the footage of the shunter's truck in the yard?" questioned Percy. "Did all the shooting last week." "So you had the footage?" asked the shunter. "Yes, I do," that controller added. "I sent one copy to the museum, and copy the other." "But why'd you ask?" "We could use the footage as a reference to build a new one," cried Percy excitedly. "It may not be the original, but it'll look the part," said the fat controller, and hurried away to make the arrangements. The replica was built in about a month, and both the replica and the original were sent to the museum. When the other engines asked the fat controller why he sent the broken one as well, he replied with, "Well, it's still a piece of railway history. I wouldn't want to scrap it." Percy is still a cheeky, fussy little engine, and still plays tricks on the bigger engines. But he is more careful and always makes sure to keep his mind on track.